Hello guys, welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, and today if you first time you bought into our channel, make sure you subscribe and you share and also click on the notification button so that you click on the notification button. And as well also, if you're a returning subscriber, you can as well also click copy the link and share to others so that they can get benefited from whatever you share today. That is love. That's what we call love. You understand? Okay, as a matter of fact, if you're looking for a place to buy your skincare product or to buy your skincare ingredient or recipe or cosmetic, you can also just call out the number or your screen you're seeing right now. Just call out the number. You always get to us for free. As a matter of fact, we ship everywhere to the US, to UK, Canada, Europe, Asia country, Africa country, even in Nigeria as well. We ship everywhere. Trust us. That's what we'll be known for. Your priority or my priority matters based on trust. Are you getting it? And your priority is my cosign. That is what we do. Look, as a matter of fact, I want to tell you this. You can check on us on Facebook and Instagram. The name still remain, our handle remain the same. AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. There's not a shame. And you can check us out or the other YouTube also still AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Check us there, fine. Okay, like I tell you, you'll see a whole lot of things here. Like, you might be wondering what this man really want to show us today, what he want to talk to us. I just want to show you just one thing that you can use to mix all those things, that one oil that can go with all these things. If it's cleanser you want to do, if it is soap you want to do, whatever you want to do, just one oil that can go with that. Some people say that, oh, would this oil go for this? Would it go? Every other oil might not go for whatever formulation you want to do. But one oil I know, which is what we call, Malawi. And you see, you can see this Malawi. You can see this is just another color of it. Malawi. I told you, Malawi is one oil that you can joke with. And I told people they keep telling me, like, honestly, can I use this with this? Can I? Yes. I believe you can use this. This is a whitening oil, but you can't use it with all other product. You can use it now. But I bet you can use Malawi with all that product. Is it this you want to mix Malawi with? You'll get excessive answer. Or you will mix it with this, you get excessive answer. Tell me what y'all want to mix it with. Is it this? What you want to make? What do you want to formulate? By the way, I will want to open one secret to you guys again. How to make a formula. But not today, trust me, not today. How to make a formula. Please teach me. Please do this. You can make a formula for yourself and you will get it. You will always get that formula for yourself. We'll come to that. That should be our next topic. So Malawi. This oil is a dump. It's a dump. Do you want to use it with this? What do you want to do? Cleanser. This. What you want to do? This. So oil may pass oil. I keep telling you guys, oil pass oil. All you just need to do, just get your Malawi. Very, very effective. I keep telling you. Or do you want to use it with this? Do you want to this? Is your hand getting darker, your feet get darker, and you want to tomorrow? I can't lie. This. What do you want to use it to? You want to use it to? I keep showing you all this. Malawi is the best you can go for. Go for it. Do you want to add it to your cooking only? Yes, you go for it. I tell you, return, you see, just try. Like maybe just malic acid. What are you formulating? You asking me if this one will go for this? It goes. But I bet you, there's some oil you can go with this. There are some oils, yes, they say are powerful, but you can't let it go with this. Yes, we talk about that now. So, I mean, the whole thing is that the whole idea is that why am I showing all this for you to know how powerful your Malawi is. It's nobody concept. This is my concept. I created this. You know. So by the time when it started trending everywhere, so I'm gonna say, oh, you see, different Malawi would not be out. They would say, oh, I owns it. Read talking. You ain't gonna say something about that right now, like I owns it. Who owns it? You've forgotten somebody owns it. It's AYA Cosmetic. AYA Cosmetic owns it. Are you getting it? So I mean, I've showed you all. Or is it this? You want to test the pH level? Come on, look at it. All right, okay. You know, above that, like, I wouldn't know about this Malawi. I mean, like, I did tell you all about this product before. You can say this is my name of my product personally, you know. And the title is just simple as DEQ3. You know, I told you we have solution 1, solution 2, solution 3. Are you getting it? So don't forget, like this cream, how do you use it? This oil, how do you use it? I get to know this DEQ3, how do you use it? You don't use it when your cream or your soap or whatever you're trying to produce has changed color already. No, you use it from the start. Now, those of you who don't believe in yourself, you know that, oh, this one will cost while after I know that this thing I want to produce will change color. The cream might be good. Don't be scared that, okay, the cream might be whitening cream and it's good, but the fact that the color changed, your customer not gonna like it. So before that, you just have to put just a little drop of your DEQ3. You know, when you put this now will contain the concentrate that will make this your soap change or whatever item that will make it change. This thing will contain that power, will contain or will conserve it, you know, to change. Are you getting it? So above that, like I've told you about all these, nothing more, no magic. You hear me? The magic is just your own idea, whatever you formulate. Like our next topic, I'll be teaching us how to formulate. Very necessary. We should know. So know this for you so that you can also formulate a formula for people to go after, and it will become a nationwide stuff. You know, nobody came with all this idea in here. We met them, and now you know, so we should use that opportunity for every one of us to learn. You understand it? So that's that. So, and again, I want to tell you, if you want to buy your skincare recipe or organic ingredient or skincare product, yes, don't forget, just call out AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. That's the way you will see original stuff. I keep telling you, a lot of fake goods out there. Don't cry, don't come and tell me, oh bros, you've told me before. So I told you before, and how come you still go follow victim of it? I told you before. You say, you don't tell me before that. How come that I've told you these people, they have a lot of, you can see somebody can just, you see this? Let me tell you see this? You see how it is right now? Somebody could just construct this and refill it. And you see, it will still look like the original. But because they sell it cheaper for you, you go for it. But when I tell you, for instance, I tell you this one, for instance, I said this one is 1 million naira, for instance. Okay, why would you want to sell this 1 million naira? You crazy, you sick. I think this man is trying to rip us off. But no, I'm only giving this stance. No, I'm not trying to rip you off. Somebody might tell you, this thing is 1 naira. You see, that guy told me, what the heck? He told me it's 1 naira and you're selling your own 1 million. I should go for him. Go ahead, that's your problem. We get it. 1 naira, we get it. But you see, that 1 naira, what it's going to cost you, it's cheap. But what it's going to cost you, maybe you might, several years, you might not come out of it. say some ladies, I tell you real talk, they know the good stuff, they would want to go for it. Why some? They know the good stuff, they still want to argue with you. Keep arguing, it's your own thing, no problem, that's your problem. So I told you where you can get all this original AYA. Being where you are, whatever you've been on some far place in Nigeria, just call out us. We deliver everywhere. We talk about it. There's no two ways about it. We deliver everywhere. You see all these things like it's not a joke. If you're in the abroad, everywhere, US, Canada, Europe, UK, just name it. We talk about it. So it's just not much. It's your own thing, So like nobody's begging you. Like we don't beg, but we tell you that. Listen, your own safety is our priority, guys. You see this skin, one day will wear it off. But before then, you will enjoy them now. Yes, you enjoy your skin. And like when you see some skin, you can't swallow spit. You say, what the heck? Like, come on. What's going on with your skin? Stretch mark everywhere. You see some marks, like when these people, who did they fuck with? Like, what's up with you? Is that what you want to do this year? Don't. Just call out us. What did it say about skin doctor, by the way? You see this name? Skin doctor. That is who we are. You might be looking for the real skin doctor. You might be looking for skin doctor expert, but yes, we talk about skin doctor. Professionals, yeah. This is who we are. So you can as well talk to us. Feel free and talk to us. This channel, we have a lot of doctors in here. Feel free and talk to us. So that is that we've got to the end of this episode. I remain AYA. Yeah, AYA Skincare Nigeria. People they keep wondering like, why this guy? You style too much, you talk too much, you real talk. I style too much because I give you the real thing. Some say he's the only guy doing skincare stuff, and we've not seen other guys in the farm. It's a name y'all give to me, like I like it, real talk. Some say I don't like the way he talk because for now, whatever, we think consign you bump. I don't know, like you sound rude. I'm only trying to do how you can cross the game, you can survive the game. Day there, talk about, see what I'm doing for you. You don't see the help I ain't doing for you, but now how I talk, now you come.